Hello. In this video, we shall learn how to rotate a given shape by 90-degree clockwise. So for that, what we need to do is we need to first pick up the coordinates of the given points. So over here, A is 2, comma 3, B is -1, comma 2, and C is 1 comma -2. Now please remember that for the 90-degree clockwise rotation, the coordinates of the point become, there is a rule for it, and x comma y, it becomes y comma -x. So what do we do is we will flip the coordinates the way the rule explains. So over here for A dash, now y coordinate is 3, so it becomes 3 over here, and the value of x, it becomes -x, so it becomes a -2 for the y coordinate. Similarly for B, because the value of y coordinate is 2, comma, and then negative of the -1 becomes a 1. And for the coordinates of C dash, the -2, the y coordinate, and 1 becomes a -1 according to the rule. Now we shall plot all these points. So 3 comma -2 is somewhere over here, and that becomes your point A dash. Then B dash is 2 comma 1, so this is B dash, and the value of C dash becomes -2 comma -1, so it will be over here. This becomes C dash, and then we shall go on to draw the shape like this, and this is how we rotate the given shape by 90-degree clockwise rotation. Thank you for watching.